Want to export just one layer or group from Affinity Photo by Canva without saving the whole document? In this short video, I will show two ways to do it. One quick method for a single layer and a slightly more advanced method to export batch layers as separate files, all in plain steps so you can follow along easily. First method, the quick way. Open your Layers panel and click to select the layer or group you want to export. Then click the Export PN Chain drop-down to open the export dialog and make sure the option labeled Selection Only is checked. Even though the dialog says PN Chain, you can pick any file format from the Format menu. If you need a transparent background, choose PNG, then click Export. When the File dialog opens, pick where you want to save the file, give it a name, and click Save. That covers the simple method, the one you will use when you just need a single image from your design. Now for the advanced method, useful when you want to separate files for batch layers or groups. Toggle on and go to the slice mode. Then select any layer or group and click Create Slice. Repeat that to make a slice for each layer you want to export. Open the Slices tab to see everything you have created. You can also delete any layer you don't want from here. When you are ready, choose the file type you want. Click Export Slices, pick the destination folder, and click Export. Affinity will create separate image files for each slice. That is everything for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more Affinity tips and tutorials, and leave a comment if you have a question or want a deeper walkthrough of any step. Thank you for watching.